the Democratic Republic of Congo now, where some Congolese citizens have welcomed the decision by the World Health Organization to maintain the classification of the Ebola outbreak in their country as a public health emergency of international concern. Locals have called on health authorities to reinforce the fight against the disease in order to wipe it out. CGTN's Ocamringa has more from Kinshasa.
The World Health Organization's Advisory Committee has decided that the Ebola outbreak in the DRC is still an international health emergency. The committee made the decision at its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland, after a previous declaration expired. Health experts noted that the risk of the spread of the disease is still high due to insecurity in some hotspots in North Kivu and Ituri provinces. A Congolese doctor from the eastern town of Beni praised the WHO for its decision.
I support the WHO's decision to maintain the status quo because the risk of Ebola spreading across the region is still high. They now ought to step up their response activities and the mobilization of funds so that they can end the outbreak.
The disease has claimed more than 2,000 lives since last August. Health authorities recorded a significant reduction in the number of new Ebola cases recorded over the past 2 weeks. They registered 15 cases in North Kivu and Ituri province compared to 126 in April this year. But the WHO warned health workers against getting complacent in the fight against Ebola. Congolese citizens in Kinshasa are also calling for the reinforcement of the response to the outbreak.
The health experts must continue battling Ebola in order to eradicate it. The officials should keep up with the fight against Ebola until the disease is completely eradicated.
The designation of the Ebola outbreak as a public health emergency of international concern is meant to attract a more coordinated international response to end the outbreak. WHO experts will review the designation in 3 months as the DRC's fight against Ebola continues. Ocamringa, CGTN, Kinshasa, Democratic Republic of Congo.